This thing, parasha is Parashat Vayikra. We start the Sefer of Vayikra. It's interesting that why this Sefer is called Vayikra. What does Vayikra mean? Vayikra, Rashi says, Vayikra Malachi Ashoret. That is something Malachi Ashoret call each other. Vayikra. Lashon Chipa. Lashon Malachi Ashoret Mishtamishim Bo. In other words, Vayikra is the Lashon of Chipa, Lashon of endearment. Lashon that Malachi Ashoret, I said, B'Garazel Se B'Amal. In other words, Garazel Se B'Amal. Now, Persian say, why this Sefer is all about Korbanot. All of the Sefer talks about Kohanim and Korbanot that they have to bring. And the Korbanot that they have to bring is Korbanot. What's the root of Korban? Why is Korban called Korban? What's the root of Korban? That like explains the root of Korban is Karab. Korban, in other words, there are two ways of giving Korban. Gift, usually. Some person give a gift tax to make yourself potter. I don't want to become close. I just want to give a gift because I have to do something. I want to give a gift to get away, not to have a relationship, to do something that justifies and I stay away. Now, to exclude that, to take out that from our mind, but who says, Korban from Shul Karab, Korban a person brings to become close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Interesting calling. Why do you call somebody? Because you want to have a relationship with them. Therefore, all of the pshat of the Korban is to call and to come close. In other words, a lot of times, the Sefer starts by Vayikra means all of the avodah that we do is a very deep psychology in a person. A lot of times the person does some type of avodah, something to get away from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Because I give my tax and I go away. Like Paro says, okay, go ahead and bring the Korban. What do you have to bring? Bring sheep? Take a sheep. But what Moshe Rabbeinu says? Moshe Rabbeinu says, no, we can't take sheep and bring the Korban. We don't know what to bring. We have to bring everything that we have. Even whatever detail point, everything. What do you have to take everything for? You want to bring Korban, you pay tax. He says, no, all Korban is correct. Come close. Come close, your totality becomes in the relationship. Not just you pay something and you make yourself leave from whatever that you have to do. No, here you become close. Therefore, all of the Sefer, the name is Vayikra, calling endearment. Now, the relationship starts with the fact that you call with love, with caring. If it's love and caring, then there is a relationship. If not, it's not. So that's why we see also in Korbanot that we bring, all of the Korbanot, one of the Korbanot from flour, Torah says the flour has to be matzah. You learn partial of matzah, but that's nothing to do with Pesach. Matzah. Now Rambam says why all of the flour is matzah, they bring the B'tamidaj is matzah. Because over the Avodah Zarah, those that they worship Avodah Zarah, they bring chametz. Now Torah says you bring korban from flour, you have to bring matzah. Even lechem apanim was not chametz, was matzah. Now Rashi explain why Rambam says that why would Avodah Zarah bring chametz? Because chametz naturally doesn't grow. Chametz is something that you have to make it. You have to put flour and water and mix them together. It's not something that naturally grows on a tree. Therefore, in Avodah Zarah, you have to bring something for your idol, with the bring something for the idol, not something that naturally grows, something that you have to work for it. They will tell Avodah Zarah, see, it's the tax. I worked for you, you better work for me. Now, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is saying, we have to exclude, we have to take away that mentality of service. We don't bring something that you work, no, Hashem to work for you. In other words, if he owes it to you. In other words, here you have to bring matzah. It's nothing. Just flour and water, you didn't do anything. Just you mix it up and bake and brown it. In other words, that's why during the Pesach, that is the conception of the Hal Yisrael. Hal Yisrael becomes the Hal Yisrael. All the Hal Yisrael has to eat matzah to bring out this point. That now our relationship with Hashem are becoming the nation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Our relationship is not based on a business deal. That now that the Hal Yisrael are coming through, everybody eats matzah to bring out this point that our existence with HaKadosh Baruch Hu is through a relationship, not the tax that you pay and you make yourself patur. And that was what Paro thought you should do it, and Moshe Rabbeinu said, no, we make a relationship. That's why Pesach is celebrated at home with the family, mishpacha gathering, everybody get together and they enjoy and have a feast over the miracles and things that Hakadosh Baruch Hu did as a family to appreciate what Hashem did for them.